For some people, it is very simple. Sow your seed, grow your plants, and then cash out. But is it really that simple? What is the reality on the ground? On today's episode, we want to talk to Abdul, an onion farmer. He has 1 acre. We want to know whether you can become a millionaire from having 1 acre of onion farm. What is the major costs? For instance,
Yes.
I have the land already.
Yes.
What is the total costs for farming on an acre?
So the total cost, if you have 100 and something cities, you can do it.
100 and something cities.
Yes, let's say 120, 130, 150. You can do it.
Okay, so let's.
It depends on the type of seed that you get.
Okay.
And it depends on how the seed germinate or yes.
Okay, so let's break it down. What is the most important cost that you need to do first?
The most important cost is the seeds.
The seeds.
Yes.
Okay.
The most important cost is the seed.
Okay. After the seed.
After the seeds, you look for the land.
The land, and
yes.
then
the land. You look for a tractor to come and weed it for you.
Okay. So let's do a breakdown of all of that.
Yes.
How many seeds do you need, or how many cans of seeds do you need for an
The
acre of
seed you can buy like 6.
6. Okay.
Yes, 6 or 7.
Okay, and one can is around.
And 1 can is 1,001.
1,001.
And some is 1,000.
Some is 1,000.
Maybe if you go get the lowest and somebody know you, the person going to reduce, they can give you 900.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's say 1,000 cedis.
Yes.
And then you are buying about 7, right?
Yes.
6 or 7.
Yes, 6 or 7.
6 or 7.
Yes.
So let's say the seeds you are buying it for 7,000.
Yes.
And then also the land preparation.
The land preparation is about the weeding.
The weeding, yes.
Or that's plowing side.
Yes.
Yes. The tractor will come and plow it for you, and that one, the tractor only know you can collect 1,000 Ghana from
1,000 Ghana.
weed for you.
And you have to do it just once, right?
Yes, you have to not once.
Okay.
If you can do it once.
Okay.
Some are doing once and some are doing twice.
Okay.
It depends on the type of land that you are using it to work.
Okay. So what's the best practice? Should you do it once or should you do it twice?
Yes, the twice that is okay.
The twice is okay.
Yes, if you know, yes, the twice that is okay.
Okay. So that means that in an acre of land, you are spending about 2,000 cedis for the preparation of
yes,
land.
2,000 for the preparation of the land.
And then your 7,000 cedis for your seeds.
Yes,
that's
for a
9,000
seed.
cedis.
Yes.
9,000 cedis, right?
Yes.
And then what else? Labor.
Yes, the labor is when you want to transplant, you look for the women.
Okay.
To come and help you transplant it.
So that one we can't break it down, but averagely, how much do you think you spend on the labor from the planting, the transplanting, and then the harvesting as well?
Yes. The harvesting is when they come and harvest it for you, give them onions.
You give them onions.
Only the planting that you pay them.
Okay, and how much do you pay them?
And the pay is it depends on the side, the longest of the bed.
Okay.
And the number of the beds that you will check.
Okay. So you for your 1 acre of land, how much do you spend?
So I spend like 2,000 on it.
2,000 on it.
Yes.
So adding to the initial 9,000 cedis, that's
1,100.
Yes, 11,000.
Yeah, that's 11,000.
11,000.
Yes.
Now talk about the irrigation system or how you water. How do you?
Yeah, the irrigation system. Sometimes, like where you rented, maybe the landowner can go and pay the money.
Okay.
Any amount that you have, you can give it to the landowner.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
if the landowner want to support, you can give the landowner 600 cedis.
Okay, for a season.
Yes, for
the whole season.
Yes.
Okay, and that's because you people already have a dam that supplies water.
Yes.
And then what type of irrigation system do you use?
The irrigation system, the one passing through the canal.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, the one that goes through the canal.
Yes.
So do you do manual irrigation, as in fetching the water and pour it on the?
Yes, we do. Yes, we use manual dressing because when the water you open it through the so passing through the lines.
Okay.
So we use a plate or silver or
anything to
water the onion.
Water the onions.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So our initial cost is 11,600 cedis, right?
Yes, 11,600 cedis.
What other cost can you think about?
The other cost is the fertilizer.
The fertilizer. How much? How?
First, you can use depending on if you want to manage, you can use 3 bags of fertilizer or 2 bags of fertilizer.
3 bags or 2 bags. But if you don't want to manage and you want to get everything at once,
At once, if you don't want to manage, you use 3.5 for 1 acre.
1 acre.
That's decent.
So
First decent.
the first.
Yes. The second one you can reduce it and give it.
Okay.
Some are using some are applying the fertilizer 3 times.
3 times.
Some are applying 2 times.
Okay.
If you don't get money, you only use this in 2 times.
Okay.
Yes. Even some use once.
Okay.
By once, the only ones will not do well.
Okay.
But the second is okay. Yes.
But in your case, in a season, how many bags do you use?
The fertilizer.
The fertilizer.
Yeah, in the season, because I use twice. In
Okay.
a season, I can use like 6 bags.
6 bags. And
Yes.
how much is a bag?
And some is 4.8, and some is 500 cedis.
Okay.
And so depending on the type of fertilizer that you want to buy.
Okay, so 500 cedis times 6.
Yes.
3,000.
Yes.
Plus our initial cost, which is
11,000.
11,600.
Yes.
So that's 14,600.
Yes.
Let's look at any other insecticides.
Insecticides is the like you go buy the medicines
Yeah.
for the spraying of the onion and this in the grasses. So when you plant it, you have to apply this in 1 week time.
Okay.
So you have to apply this in medicine they call it fem. You have to
Okay.
apply it so that it will hold the grasses that will grow inside the onion.
Okay.
Yes.
So with the insecticides from the beginning of the season to the end,
Yes.
how many bags do you use, or how many bottles do you use?
The medicine.
The medicine, yes.
Like I use this insecticide. I use only 1 bottle.
1 bottle. That's how much?
Yes. And that one is 250.
250 cedis.
Yes.
Plus our initial cost, which is 14,600.
Yes.
So that is 14,850.
Yes.
So let's say 14,900.
Yes.
All right, 14,900.
Yes.
In your experience,
Yes.
are there any other costs here and there that might
Yes.
come up?
Yeah, the cost that can come and add to it. Maybe if you buy the onion seed, you can buy 6 alonka or 7 alonka and nest it all and to not germinate. So I have to buy another one.
Okay.
So sometimes that's the costs that farmers face.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So let's say 14,900 cedis.
Yes.
Who takes care of the farm for you?
I take care of the farm myself.
You
I
do
take
everything yourself.
Yes, I do everything myself.
So you don't spend.
Yes. And it like I spend sometimes if I make tired, I call this laborers to come and help me to do it.
Okay.
Yes.
So
if I'm not around.
Okay. So for that kind of labor, how much do you spend?
Sometimes I can give them this in 50 cities
50 cedis
or 80 cities a day by day.
by day.
Yes.
And maybe how many times do you need them in?
It's not all the time that I take it.
Okay.
Yes.
So for instance, if you want to pay yourself as a labor,
Yes.
if you are to pay yourself as a labor, how
Yes.
much will you pay yourself for the whole season?
For the whole season, if it depends on number of the onion or number of sack of the onions that I get.
Okay.
Before I will now calculate it.
Okay. But for instance, if you want to, or if you plan to employ labor,
Yes.
if you are not available and you
Yes.
plan to employ labor,
Yes.
how much do you think you can pay the person through the season?
Yes, the amount of the amount of money that I pay to the person is unless we harvested the thing.
Okay.
So when we harvest it and we see, I'll calculate the amount of money that I invested inside the farm.
Okay.
So and subtract some expenses inside and check how much I have to pay him
Okay.
or her.
Okay. But do you know of any of your friends, your colleague farmers that have laborers? Do you know how much they pay their laborers?
Yes, I know. Some they pay 100.
100,
100. That's 10,000.
10,000
Yes.
per
Pay the acre.
acre for
Yes.
the whole season.
Yeah, for the whole
3
season.
months.
Yes.
So that's
and-
about 3,300
yes.
per month, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And some to pay like 8,000.
8,000
Yes.
for the whole season.
For the whole
They
season.
don't include food. It doesn't include food.
No, it doesn't include food. You get supplied that, but you will subtract inside all this thing that you subtract all the food inside and check. You
Okay.
check the amount of money that you get inside the farm before you settle them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So for instance,
if the onions don't do good, then you can give them 6,000, some give 5,000. So if they themselves will know.
Okay. So now let's talk about the potential yield. We are going to talk about the potential yield, how much you can get from an acre of land, before we talk about the risk, some of the challenges that can take out from that yield or that profit. Let's talk about the potential yield. In a season, how much can one make from a well-managed onion farm? If you manage the onion farm very well,
yes,
and it does well,
yes,
how much can you make?
Some you can make up to 150,000.
150,000.
Yes, which is 1.5 billion,
1.
right?
1.5 billion. Yes, yes, yes. Wow, 1.5 billion.
Yes.
1.5 billion. How many in an acre? Yes. How many bags can you make from?
Yeah, some make I didn't get what you.
How many bags can you get from
an
acre of?
Yes, the bags. It depends on how you are saying when it does well.
Yeah.
Some you can get past 100.
Okay.
Some you can get 120. Some you can get 70. Depending on the number of bags that you can get it.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can get, but averagely, how many years have you done?
I've done the onions for 10 years.
10 years now.
Yes. I've been inside 10 years.
10 years. Okay.
Yes.
And in your 10 years of farming.
Yes.
During the good seasons, how many bags did you make?
During the good season, I make 80 bags,
80 bags,
70 bags. Yes.
Okay. 80 bags, 70 bags. How much do you sell a bag? Yes.
I sell a bag 1,500 cedis.
1,500 cedis.
Yes.
So times 80 bags.
Yes.
Can we do a calculation right now and see?
120,000.
120,000.
Yes.
Okay. So averagely, you can make 120,000 with a good yield.
Yes. Yes.
Which people do you sell to?
We sell it to, sometimes it's men that come for the onions. Sometimes the women will give.
Okay.
Yes.
So are they market women? Are they companies? Are they individuals?
Yeah, it's market women.
Market women.
Yes.
You don't sell to companies?
No, like if like as we are here like this, as someone have harvested and they are cutting it like this. Yeah. Somebody come and pass it. Maybe the person is a company worker or whatever. You say, oh, I need it.
Okay.
So we can give it out.
Okay.
Yes.
So with the market women, when you sell to them,
yes,
are you able to make that amount? I hear that most of them, they like to beat the price down.
Yes, it depends on the type of person that you have given your onions to.
Okay.
Some, even if the onions is buying well, they'll tell you, oh, price is no good.
Okay.
And yes, so some lot of stories. As we are speaking right now, somebody doing at the market.
Okay.
They carry my brother won't go. So the same thing that is happening.
Okay.
They even call it. They say, oh, they sold the thing, and right now today, yesterday in the night, they told me that they only didn't finish.
Wow.
So that's how they do.
Okay. So let's look at some of the risks and challenges that can take away. This is the reality from a dream. Yes. This is the reality from an idea, just an idea, but this is the reality. Yes. And I want us to talk about those realities that can take away from that amount.
Yes.
What are some of the challenges that you face that can... Have you faced a challenge that wiped out all the onions that you had on 1 acre?
Yes.
Okay. And
and it's a sickness that did it.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. And what other challenges?
The challenge is that sickness. When the sickness enter your this in the onion, they have to get the medicine. If you didn't see it fast, the onions all will not do.
Okay.
As we are speaking this year, a lot of onions are spoiled. Yes.
What's the name of the sickness?
The sickness is some insects or yes, some white things that I don't know the name in English.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Apart from that, the price fluctuating. I know that the prices can go up and come down.
It can
anyhow,
anytime.
How does that affect the sale of the onions?
When it's affect like this, like at first, meaning the onions that is in the market is plenty.
Okay.
Yes.
So when is the best season to make that a good amount of money?
The good amount of money as they are harvesting the onions like this, like you have a place that you put your onion and like let's say within some 1 month or 2 months time, prices will go higher again.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So right now we are in September.
We're in September.
Is it a good time to have
maybe October, October and November inside. That time there's no onions at the farm. But if you have some inside, you have a warehouse that you pack all your onions in. That's where some crab buy 2,000.
Okay.
Like last year, some said 3,000,
Okay.
4,000.
Okay.
Back of your onions.
You said averagely you can spend. We talked about 14,900. So let's make it. Let's say 15,000.
Yes, yes,
15,000.
Yes.
Minus 120,000.
yes.
That's about 100,000.
Yeah.
That's about 105,000. But there are some challenges that can take away from that price averagely.
The challenges that can take that money again is that's what I was saying at first. It's the seeds.
The seeds, okay.
Yeah, the seed is the problem.
The seed is the problem.
Yes.
But is that amount a good money for you as a farmer?
Yes, it's okay
It's
for
okay.
me.
It's
Yes,
okay for you.
because within 3 months or less than 3 months,
Yes.
if you are able to get that money, why is not? Oh, it's good for me.
It's good for you.
Yes.
But this season you've also planted.
Yes.
How much do you think you are able to
This season, the market is no good for this season.
Yes.
Yes. So the market changes. As we're saying, the prices are different.
Yes.
Depending on the type of person that will help you, so that the price will go high for you.
Okay.
Yes.
But honestly, truthfully,
Yes.
if you had another option,
Yes.
would you take it, or do you consider this a very good venture? The onion farming.
Yes.
If you had another business,
Yes.
will you take it and leave the onion farming totally, or do you consider?
No, I will not leave the onions farming.
Okay.
I will not, it's not only onions that are farmed, so I will not leave farming.
Okay.
Yes, farming is very good for me. I will not
right.
leave farming. Yes.
But can the onion alone, the 1 acre,
Yes.
can it alone sustain you, your family, and your dreams,
Yes.
like building a house?
Yes, it can sustain me.
It can sustain
Yes.
you. Okay.
But
Alright.
after the onions, I can do different things. Yes.
Okay. So can you tell us, in the 10 years, what are some of the things that you've been able to do with this onion?
The 10 years, as we were saying, maybe it's not every year that the onions will do.
Yeah.
So it's not every year.
Yeah.
So we are you not get anything. That one you have to. Some years you not get anything.
Yeah.
Some years you get less than
Okay.
50,000 or something like that. So it
Okay.
depends on the number of years that you. So
Okay.
the year I will hit,
Yeah.
I have to use it and go and arranging my building small.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So that's nice. If you have any advice,
Yes.
what advice would you give to people who would want to go into onion farming?
Yes, if you want to go to onion farming, I would advise, if you have the money to farm, you can go into. But
Okay.
farming is really helps.
Okay.
Yes.
What is good about farming? What are the benefits to you personally? Some of the benefits you enjoy as a farmer.
The benefit, the farming, like you can get money inside, you can get food at the same time inside.
Okay.
Not going to the market to buy a lot of things, you can farm it yourself.
Okay.
Yes.
And you about time, you have time to yourself to do other things, because even when I called you, you were somewhere else.
Yes, as I was somewhere else. Like when it's happened like this, I have to look for by day people or.
Okay.
Yes, at first, some time ago, I was having a workers.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So thank you very much.
Yes.
That is it for this episode.